So we made it to Oxford. We are at the petrol station near Oxford. It's called Welcome Break Oxford. I don't know if you can see it. We've done about 110 miles. We went through London. Nothing really interesting, boring traffic. But yeah, it was good. Weather is good. A bit too hot, I would say. I feel like the air is like from the blow dryer, but the hot mode. We are still planning to do approximately 100 miles, maybe 2 hours, 2.5, and we will start looking for camping. I'm vlogging first time in my life, so I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but yeah, that's something for us. I'm just so curious how Chris is managing with his coffee, because we bought coffees and I had to ride the motorbike with the coffee in my hand, but I don't think he bought it. Actually, he's coming here. There he is. So how did you manage with your coffee? Where is it? You alright? You got number 5?
Yes.
You got 3 things like that.
Oh, wasn't done?
Only just 3 things like 2.
Oh, okay.
So you didn't pay?
So, you want me to pay again? Yeah, no problem.
No, before you go to troubles. No, it's okay. It's okay. He's gonna make it. Bloody hell, that was a good one. Good one with the coffee. Oh, let's check how's my luggage. That's all good. All hold still. That's good. Yeah, you know what I like about the roll bag when you ride? You can actually lean against it, so it's like it's got a little back support, which is quite cool actually in the long run. So yeah, all good. Yeah, a bit too hot, but I can't complain. I prefer this than rain. Hello everyone, we made it our first night, so it's day 0. We are somewhere in between Oxford and Birmingham. We are at Fir Tree campsite, so we managed to set up our tents really well. Christoph is going to cook us some nice steaks in a minute, and that's how our campsite looks like. Right, so we've got already first damage. I went to get some water and I've lost the flip-flop. It's gone. It's gonna stay here, I'm sure. But well, day 0, and oh, there we go. Look at him. Look at this bad boy. Bad boy cooking.
Yeah. We're starting from broccoli. We're just going to grill it and steam it. I can do it on my own. Stable? Stable.
That's
2 sirloin steaks on a hot pan. They are quite thin, really thin. That's why it's better to do it on a seriously hot pan, but do it for a really short time. 1, 2. Unfortunately, we forgot beef dripping. That is why we are cooking on a veg oil, which is by all means inferior. Have a look at this. Move them around. For us, for the machines, and for the road.
to Scotland.
to Scotland.
Oh, very nice. Nice.
We should skip all of this lame alcohols as beer and cider and so on. We should focus entirely
Just stick to
on
whiskey.
whiskey.
That's
Yes.
it. And actually, this is okay. So let's make a rule. In Scotland, we drink only whiskey.
Yes. Yes.
Only whiskey.
Only whiskey.
And water.
Yeah. And water. And tea, coffee.
tea and coffee, yeah.
But of the alcohol, just whiskey.
Just whiskey. Good point. I like it. How's our steaks?
Well, for a moment they are quite rare.
So how do you check it? By the finger?
By I press it down, and the consistency of the meat will change as the meat gets more and more cooked. If you think of it, the less cooked it is, the softer it is. If you get that steak straight from the packet, it will be very, very soft, quite squishy. But if you cook it like well done entirely, all 100%, it will get quite tough. So by the pressure, you can feel that there is some crust forming on the side, on the surface. But inside, it's still quite soft. Yeah, and it's just, you know,
It's just question of experience, isn't
yeah,
it?
it's
So
just
you
a matter
should
of
touch-
experience, you know. Some people tell you that by pressing various fingers and touching this very area on the hand, you will feel the different doneness.
And what
of
do you
the
think
steak.
about it?
But to be honest, I never could. I can feel it on the meat, but I can't feel it on my own flesh.
Fair enough.
Okay. So the eggs can go in. Unfortunately, we don't have any butter that would be best for eggs.
Yeah, but we can't. We've spoken about it, didn't we? We can't take really butter with us because it will just melt. We have no fridge.
Yes.
Okay, I'll sort out the eggs.
What I got is a very, very specialized tool for the eggs.
Okay. Perfect. That's for cakes.
The pan is so hot that we might actually cook it all the way through with just residual heat. Probably we'll just crank it up towards the end. Salt and pepper, yeah. Oh, don't be shy, come on.
That's shy.
Oh, that's seasoning.
Yeah, that's a little bit of the grass.
Yes, yes, that's seasoning. Well, how I like my scrambled eggs is I like whites cooked entirely and egg yolks, the yellow bit, nearly not at all.
Okay.
Ideally, I should scramble the whites, and then as I take it just off the heat, just stir the raw egg yolks through it. But as I can't be ever asked to do it.
Yeah.
That's why when I just crack them in, it's just like I gently move the whites with the spatula, and when they are cooked, and I'm just about to take it off the pan, then I just stir it all over. Nice. Get the camera to look how.
Oh yes. Exactly.
Let's see how it looks like.
How it looks
So,
like.
right,
So
yeah.
these are our
So this is
steaks.
after about what? It's been about 5 minutes or so.
Maybe
5,
a little bit
6
longer.
Yeah, maybe like 6 or 7, but
Yeah.
no longer. And it's actually cooked.
Yeah.
It's actually cooked. Even the thickest piece, if I want to press it, I can feel that the fibers, they let go. They're quite soft. It's not like, you know, like raw one that you would feel when you squeeze the raw broccoli. You have a feeling like if you're squeezing the freshly sprung tree branch or something like that. But this is already done. So yeah, on a plate. Well, it might not look very hygienic or anything like that, but think of that, how our ancestors, how did they prepare their meals? As long it's cooked, as long the food reaches a certain temperature, it kills all of the bacteria. Oh man, these plates are too small for this.
Should I try my one actually?
One more, even the smaller one.
The smaller
let's try the smaller one because this is
the big one.
too small. Yeah.
The big one doesn't work, so let's try this one.